Right, so that's our water there. Hi and welcome everybody. We've just decimated all the lower base here. Okay, except obviously for the power, but we're not going to build anything over there. No, the salmon ran out of spares. But we are currently building a large storage area here. Okay. That is medium, and this is medium. Armed intruders. Okay. There you go. Don't know what that's done to our base. Probably going a bit down. And then what we're going to have off here, we're going to have sleeping quarters here, canteen here. So it should be quite easy for the workers to get food, because off here we'll probably have a little job for them or something. We don't know yet. Trading ship, what we got? Not really a lot there. We can get rid of these. These are 14. Value. Value 110. Okay, value 100, so we'll take that. Okay. We want the spares. We'll take those. We got that. We can give you 310. There we go. We'll trade it up. Alright, the storage there is ready. That's ready. Biodome is going to be ready. Nah, you haven't. Right, so what do we have first? So we don't want them walking too far. How are we doing on here? Sure. So we're going to need another lab, aren't we? We've got two medicals, haven't we? There's one medical. There's the other medical. Yeah, that's the landing pad bay medical. What we do, I think, need another one. Right, so that's going to be the big storage. Okay, so that's the big storage. So really you shouldn't really have any more storage than that. Okay, status is now good. So the connection has been built. So I've got air, got big air there. That's medium, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so that's been built there. So I'm gonna have, what's this? This is storage, isn't it? Yes. So we're gonna have. Let's have a look. A dorm off here. Yeah, we'll have a dormitory off here. And we're going to have a large canteen off here because we do need a med bay, so I want to put the med bay here. Put it slightly down just in case I need to have any more. I shouldn't need any more oxygen. Large canteen. Should feed them. I'm not sure what else to give them, honestly. What we're currently on, 82. One beer. I've got 10 engineers. What the hell are they doing? So that's good. That's going with stuff there. What's this food like? Full. That's good. Because that's their canteen. Colony ship. What, 3? Let them go through the sandstorm today. Oh. What are you building there? The biodome. Need a biodome done. Let's get them inside. See, they always say that they run out of spares, but I never see these guys busy. Yeah, he's using that. What's he need to? Right. Let's see what we got. Yeah, still out of spares. Can we? Faction limits. No, we can't do that. What have we got here? Visitors. So that's the new biodome. There's the new dorm. It's gonna be the new med bay and everything over here once this gets cleared. Large canteen. Should push some oxygen through there. Okay, that one's just been done. Right, okay, so we're going to go and edit that, and the first thing we're going to have are the trees. And then we're going to have a look at meals. So we want wheat and mushrooms. Wheat, mushrooms, wheat, mushrooms, GM onions. And all I'm going to be doing is just wheat and mushrooms because it makes pasta. Everyone's gonna start being people that love pasta and onions because they're good. So we've got two sides of wheat and the mushrooms, wheat and meat, wheat and tomatoes. Makes pasta as well. So we'll have this time wheat and tomatoes just for a change. And then the GM onions. we go. And we'll see you in the next episode, where we're going to build another canteen, and we'll waiting on the dorm. Have fun, stay safe. Bye now. Bye for now.